Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Safari app back on iPhone. Let's jump right in. First, go to your app library. You can access this by swiping left to your home screen until you reach the app library, which is all the way to your right. Here, in the search bar at the top, search for the Safari app. Once the Safari app appears in your search list, tap and hold onto it. While still holding the Safari app icon, drag and move it back to one of your home screens. You can place the Safari app wherever you want on your home screen. Once you are done, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can get Safari app back on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.